Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low performance on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to close the background apps. So go over here, and I only have settings. So we're going to hit the trash can icon, and we got 1.25 gigabytes of memory freed up. We're going to open the settings now, and of course we're going to close them after, but now we're going to enter them and go over into battery settings. In the battery, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and here we have battery optimization. Now we want to click optimize here, and now all items are optimized. That means we just increase our performance a little. Of course, here we have the battery mode performance. So here you can try and use the performance for a couple of seconds. And after that, you can switch to balanced. So that's what you guys can do here. Now, of course, we got the app launch. Here you can manage the apps manually. So here we can disable the recorder. As you guys can see, now it's done. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go over and go to more battery settings. Here we want to make sure that we have system optimization done and that it says optimized here and not optimize. And of course, here we also have the bypass charging. So if you're charging your phone, then it will try and power the system when your battery is 20% or above. So that will basically reduce your heat, and it will not slow the performance. It will boost it because it's going straight to the system instead of the battery. And of course, power consumption alert should be enabled because you want to know when something is just slowing down your performance. So that's what you guys can do here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.